What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some drinks that will be perfect for the holiday season, perfect to take to gatherings, or just for you and yours to share. All of the ingredients are pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but definitely tailored towards the holiday season. Before we get started, if you are new, please consider subscribing. I would absolutely love to have you. Drop a comment down below, hit that like button, and turn on your notification bell so you know when I drop a new video. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the first drink that I'm going to be making is a sangria. This is super dope for large crowds, but you can also scale it back like I did and make it just for yourself or for you and yours. So you want to grab some fruit. I chose apple, orange, pear, and some cranberries. Grab a few cinnamon sticks, some brandy, some apple cider, and of course wine. I think it's smart to use a wine that you would drink on its own, so I chose a Cab. This one is by Josh. I love this wine. I buy it all the time, and you basically want to just add everything to your jug. Proper measurements and all that fun stuff will definitely be in the description box, but remember, you can tailor this exactly to your liking. You don't have to make it exactly how I did. Keep in mind here, you can definitely cut the fruit up a lot smaller than I did. I personally never eat the fruit in sangrias, so I didn't feel the pressure to cut them up very small. But if you're making it for a crowd, I do suggest cutting it up smaller. That way it's easier to either pour or ladle into a cup instead of fighting with large pieces of fruit. Once everything's added, you want to store it in the fridge for at least an hour, but a couple of hours is better before you're gathering or before you're just ready to drink it. And pour it into a glass and enjoy, girl. You could top it off with something sparkling, maybe some more sparkling apple cider, sparkling water, whatever floats your boat. Up next is my personal favorite. It's kind of a cross between a margarita and a mojito because I used some mint. So we're gonna go ahead and add everything to a shaker, some cranberries, mint, and a little bit of lime juice. Muddle that down to release the flavors, and then we're gonna add our typical margarita ingredients, some triple sec, some agave, and a little bit of tequila. Shake it up and pour it over some ice. Garnish it really pretty and enjoy. Super simple and easy to tailor. You can obviously use regular cranberry juice for this. I chose to use for real cranberries just for a little bit of freshness and to eliminate that artificial taste. And it was really refreshing. It was good. It wasn't too strong. I enjoyed it, and so did my husband. Up next is a spiked hot chocolate. Again, you can tailor this to your liking. I use some Kahlua and vodka, but you can just use the vodka, or you can even use some whiskey. I'll leave in the description box the measurements to feed a crowd, but here I'm just showing you for a table of one. This was super good, super cozy, perfect for those cold nights. But that's it, guys. That's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below on what drinks you are making this holiday season. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.